everyone, and thanks for joining me today. This is a challenge that I have for you all. Now, I did mention it in my live video yesterday, but I thought just in case anyone missed it, I'm going to do a separate video just to tell everyone about it. It is actually called the Crafty Pick and Mix challenge, and you can all take part in this, and we're going to have a lot of fun. Excuse my desk, it is a mess. Ignore these bits here. Charles is here as well, having little cuddles. So what is the Crafty Pick and Mix, and how can you take part? Now, all you need is a pen and paper and a basket or something, and all you have to do is to go around your craft room and write down things that you have, not every single thing individually. So I've put washi tape, not every individual washi tape. So I've put washi tape, alcohol markers, gel pens, watercolor pencils, distress ink, spray inks, paint, embossing powders, ribbon, lace, rickrack, bulldog clips. So as you can see, I mean, I have, I think 85 things on my list, and I haven't even really gone through everything completely. I'm sure we'll get to 100 probably by the time I'm finished. Then all you need to do is to take a piece of paper and rip your paper up into little pieces like this. Okay, and then what I've done is I've written everything on paper and folded it and put it in here. And then when we feel like we have a moment and we want to if we're a bit bored and we want to do something, what we're going to do is we're going to pick out 5 things from the basket. So let's pick 5 things out. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. This is just an example, by the way. 5. So we're going to pick out 5 things, and we've got to make something, or we can make several things from these items. So we don't have to just make one thing with all of these things, but we need to basically get these things out and use them and make a project or projects with them. Now, you can do this at home with your own craft items, or you can follow along with me and see if you've got these things at home, what you can make with them. But what it's doing is, 1, it's making us realize what we have in our stash, and 2, get those things out and use them. And then also 3, we're using our imagination. It's making us think. It's giving us time to use the things that we have. And 4, it's occupying us and giving us a challenge while we're going through this isolation. So these are the things. This is just an example. I'm going to put all these back and do this another day, but let's just say we've just done this. So we've got cardstock, so that can be any cardstock. We've got charms. So far, so good. There's a few things in here. Distress ink, which we use anyway. Ribbon. And tea cards. So I would have to find these things and make a project or projects. And like I said, you can play along at home with my things that I've pulled out, or you can do your own version and play along. So if you'd like to play along with this challenge and you're going to do this challenge with me, just leave a comment below. And then also what you can do is, when you have done your list and put them all into little bits of paper, and if you want to take a day out and you're going to pick 5 things out, list those 5 things in this video or one of my videos, and I will pick one of you a week to challenge myself to use the things you have pulled out if I've got them. I've only got 4 out of the 5 things, I'll add something else. Now, those 5 things that you pull out, you can use other things with it, of course, but you have to use those 5 items. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do my first pick and mix challenge tomorrow with my things. So keep watching, and if you want to take part, leave me a comment, and then we can do this challenge together with your own things or with my things. So I hope that's made sense. You just need to list things from your craft room, and I mean, I'm sure I'm going to be adding things to the list, and that's easy. If you find things afterwards, we can just put it on the list and put it into and add it into our basket. So I will be doing my first Crafty Pick and Mix challenge tomorrow, but I wanted to do a separate video so that if you missed the video yesterday, it will give you a chance to take part and have a go. So thanks for watching. I hope you'll all join me on this Crafty Pick and Mix challenge, and I will see you tomorrow for the first one. So take care, my lovelies. Keep safe. Bye for now.